I'm Michael Contento, the CEO of My Blue Umbrella. COVID-19 has caused a global restart. The way we look at IT today is completely different the way we've been looking at IT the last 10 years. How do we assist proactively to streamline labor cost? How do we make it easier for their employees to do their jobs? The number one cost to all operational expense is labor. I'll use a recent example of a product, a workflow we use called Syntax. So Syntax is essentially an AI automation. So it actually funnels through all the contracts itself. So you have 6 or 7 different contracts sitting in your folder, and ahead of time, what it does is the application itself starts reading the contracts. It literally reads each contract and it starts pointing out the anomalies of each contract, how they differ, understanding the language, and what it does, it gives you a briefing. Before you even open the contracts, it says, hey, between these 6 contracts, these are the points that differ from each contract. Syntax, a very simple automation through WORKanyPLACE, was able to save you 4 hours of employment cost. At My Blue Umbrella, our vision is very simple. We believe in deliver simplicity to help our clients drive growth. I believe in this strategy so much that I'm willing to offer 6 one-hour sessions to sit with the key stakeholders, the executive team, to truly understand their core offering and how IT can truly enable to generate the most revenue, manage operational expenses, and achieve not only profit, but the right profit. For those who are interested in having me assist in their strategic go-to-market offering, feel free to reach out to me directly, either via email or directly on my phone line.